This time our gradient function dy dx is equal to x add 4, which implies that y is equal to the integral of x add 4 dx, which is x squared over 2 add 4x add c. We do know that when y is 5, so when y is 5, we can replace our x values with 2, so this becomes 2 squared over 2 add 4 times 2 add c. So our c becomes 5 minus 2 minus 8, which is equal to minus 5. So with c equal to minus 5, this is the standard form of writing the equation of the curve with coordinates 2, 5. Alternatively, you can write it as 2y equal to x squared add 8x minus 10. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair.